Coach Greg here, it's about training, and today we have a seated arm workout. So grab a seat, grab some light dumbbells of your choice, and let's get started. Alrighty, so we're gonna be doing 3 sets. First set is gonna be me more explaining and demonstrating the different exercises while you follow along. And then the next 2 sets are gonna be more of a complete run through of all of them. We're gonna get a sweat on, we're gonna build some muscle, tone our arms, and it's gonna be amazing. So let's get started with our first exercise. Alrighty, so we're gonna start with some arm circles, 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. Put your arms to your side and let's just get those arms circling. I like to start small at first, and then I get a little bigger, and then bigger, and then bigger, and then I like to switch sides, just like this. This is a great way just to warm up your arms, loosen up the muscles, especially rotator cuff and elbows and everything like that. So get those circles going. We end in 3, 2, and 1. Great job. All right, second on the list, we have bicep curls. So go ahead and grab your dumbbells. And what we're gonna be doing is focusing on just getting a nice, good bicep activation by curling these dumbbells. So let's put 30 seconds on and let's go. Really try to squeeze at the top and really firmly hold the dumbbells in your hand. Try to keep all the motion coming just from the bicep. Try not to use your shoulder as well. If it's too heavy of a weight, go lower. You can even do no weight and it'll still work. So as you see, it's just the bicep moving. I'm not rocking my arm or anything like that. So we got 3, 2, let's do 1 more, and done. And don't worry, you're not gonna get beefy arms by doing bicep curls, but for you ladies, it's gonna be nice and toned, and it's gonna look really good. So let's get right into our third exercise. We got shoulder rotations. Now you can use this with weights or without, I'll demonstrate both, but what we're trying to do is get our arms a nice 90-degree angle, and all we're doing is gonna be rotating the shoulders forward. So we want that weight to be coming forward. It's sometimes easier with having a dumbbell because you let gravity do the work as it drops it forward, and then you're just raising it right back up. We're really just trying to strengthen our rotator cuff, just like that. So let's put 30 seconds on, and let's go. Now, if this is too heavy, feel free to drop to a lower weight. What I like to do is start with dumbbells, and then drop the weight, and then just go to body weight. This just really helps strengthen your shoulders. I was recovering from a rotator cuff injury, so these exercises feel really good for that. Just like that. Try to keep your arms up. The burn alone of just keeping your arms up is a workout. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Ooh, shake those arms out. I'm already feeling it. All right, and last exercise of the seated arm workout is overhead press. Grab your dumbbells once again. Get your arms in those 90-degree angles, and all we're doing is focusing on pressing right above us, just like that. Now, if you can't do both at the same time, feel free to alternate. Or if the weight is too much, again, just focus on one for a couple seconds and then move on to the other. So let's put 30 seconds on, and let's get pressing. Just like this. Try to keep a flat back. Try not to be too far back or too far forward. Really just press right above you. Just like this. Three, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, so that was your first set of your seated arm workout. I hope you feel good. My arms are toasted for sure, but now that you know what you're doing, let's get ready for set number 2. Less talking, more doing. So grab some water if you need some, and we're gonna get started with that second set. All right, here we go. All right, arm circles. Bicep curls. Shoulder rotations. Overhead press. All right, that was your second set. My arms are fried. I hope yours are too, but let's just finish strong with one more set. If you need to drop the weight, go ahead and do that. If you just wanna do just the weight of your arms, do that instead, whatever you feel comfortable with, but let's finish strong. And we're gonna start set number 3 in 1, 2, 3, go. All right, arm circles. Bicep curls. Shoulder rotations. Overhead press. And there you have it. That was your seated arm workout. Give yourself one of these and one of these. You earned it. And if you like these type of videos, feel free to click the notification bell to stay on top of any new videos dropping. My arms feel great, and if yours do too, comment below. I love my amazing toned arms. I'm Coach Greg, and I will see you in the next one. Stay strong, my friends. Peace.